This is just to give you overall demonstration of how you can make some really cool motion design videos or motion graphic videos with just one trick. To make some complex node patterns or follow the math nodes or the complex geometry nodes, just a single setup or a simple setup will give you sufficient amount of results with a number of possibilities expected. So what we will do that we will start all over from a very new file. Get rid of both of them. We will add a plane mesh and rotate it 90 degrees in x-axis. Now click on the material preview, go to shader editor, add a new material to the plane mesh. Remove the principal BSDF shader and add a emission shader. Add a color ramp and a Voronoi texture and join them. Press Ctrl plus T to get the texture coordinate and the mapping node setup if you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled. Control overall look of the textures with the help of the color ramp. But we don't want the color to look that much soft and we want it to look hard color. Switch the interpolation from linear to constant and adjust the slider of the colored stock. Now we will animate the texture. So for that, insert a single keyframe to any one of the rotation values and to the 241st frame and insert 360 and insert a single keyframe. Now play the animation. As you can see that the texture is animated, but it looks a bit boring. So we will make not even a single change to the node setup. What we will do that we will fix the position and location of the plane mesh. So select the plane mesh and move it in 1 meters in x-axis. Then select it again and move it -1 meters in z-axis. Point here is origin of the plane mesh. So what we will do that we will change the origin of the plane mesh. Right click and set origin to 3D cursor. So as you can see that the origin of the plane mesh has shifted from the center to the 3D cursor. So press Alt plus D to duplicate, right click and mirror to X global. Then similarly select both of the plane meshes, duplicate and mirror to Z global. Now play the animation. So as you can see that with just a simple trick we have made a more seamless looping animation. Now you can add any texture you want and play with the location rotation values to get some random designs and patterns. You can also adjust the color. So that's enough for today's video. Hope you guys learned something new. If you found the video useful, do drop a like, subscribe the channel and don't forget to add your valuable comment. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.